Hi, I am Arib. You are watching my YouTube channel. Transformer losses. There are basically two types of losses in transformers. One we call core loss and the other we call copper loss. We can further divide this core loss into two parts. One we call eddy current loss and the other we call hysteresis loss. The voltage we apply to the transformer is AC voltage. This causes the current to flow in the transformer. It is an alternating current flow. When this current will produce own magnetic field. This magnetic field will also alternate in nature. The magnetic field in the transformer core will change its direction every half cycle. One half cycle is clockwise and the other half cycles is anti-clockwise. So because of that, transformer dipoles also change their orientation every half cycle and when the orientation changes frequently. These dipoles interact in among themselves and colloid in among themselves. Due to the collision, it loses energy. This is called hysteresis loss. To reduce the hysteresis loss, core material should be high quality. This material called CRGO means cold roll Grelo orientated steel. When we apply voltage to the transformer, an alternating current flows. This current creates a magnetic field. This is followed by EMF inductance in the transformer according to the Faraday's laws, being an EMF inductance which will be produced by the current in transformer. The current that is ideally should flow through the copper winding. Some current begins to circulate through the puck core. Leakage, a circle in a circular from it, does not flow through the current winding but through the core. This leakage is called eddy current loss. To reduce this, core lamination of silicone steel is provided. The thickness of this lamination 0.35 mm is equal to 50 Hz in Pakistan and 0.5 mm is equal to 60 Hz for USA. Due to this lamination, you can reduce the current loss. Both of these losses are core losses because they are both in the core. When your transformer is on 20% or 80%, they have no core loss relationship. This core loss is also called constant. It depends upon how much load you are operating the transformer. This will not change your core loss, which are applied input voltage to the transformer. It depends upon copper loss. Any material has a resistance like copper is a good conductor. Whenever there is a current flow from the copper conductor, the loss due to this resistance will be called copper loss. Copper loss is a current dependent. The higher loading of your transformer, the more current will flow in your transformer. The more current the transformer draws, the greater the magnitude of your copper losses. If you are operating on a transformer, the current flow will be higher and the copper losses will be higher.